Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Okay, let's continue our vocabulary. Today is Thursday, 28th May 2020. We will start with sight words. Let's read long, long, light, much, myself, only. You know, yesterday we have learned 4 words: bird, both, eyes, fly, long, or those walk. Yesterday we have learned 4 words. Today we will complete the others. So our vocabulary recognition or our outcomes today are: I can identify the new vocabulary words. I can use these words into meaningful sentences. Our context, many kinds of facts. Yesterday I read all these pages, and now we will start the first word. Those. Those. Did you remember when I talked about this, that, these, those? I told you that those and these are used when you are referring to more than one. When you are referring or talking about more than one, or talking about plural. So those is a word used when you are saying or talking about more than one. Let's read the example. Those fish are not the same colors. Those fish, a group of fishes here, are not the same colors. We have to make sure that after those and these, we are using plural. So those is a word you use instead of that when you are talking about more than one thing. How do I use it? Let's carry those heavy bags. Heavy bags, bags plural. Those heavy bags to the table. Which of those books do you want to read? Talk it over. Read the sentences with partner. Decide in which sentences the word those makes sense. For example, please pick up those socks. Please pick up those socks. Socks is plural, so we can put here those. I know those children from camp. Children also plural or more than one. So I can say, I know those children from camp. She combed those hair with a brush. Here it doesn't make a sense. Here it doesn't make a sense. Those. Those is a word that we are using when we are talking about more than one thing and referring to something that is not near. That is not near. So after those or these, we have to bring plural. Okay? Second word, walk. Walk, it can be used as a verb and as a noun. Here in the example, it's a verb. The elephants walk together in a group. The elephants walk together in a group. So what does it mean, walk? Walk is a verb, and it doesn't mean that we are moving our legs from one place to another place. We are moving our legs from one place to another place. Walk. We can use walk as a verb when we are moving our legs from one place to another place, or as a noun. So, for example, I want to go for a walk. I want to go for a walk. Okay, a walk here is a noun. How do I use it? It takes Jeff 10 minutes to walk to school. How far do you think you can walk in 15 minutes? How far? So he is asking about the distance. How far do you think you can walk in 15 minutes? Talk it over, copy the web, okay, work it together, write the names of animals that walk in the empty circles. You can put here different animals that can walk, like elephants, like giraffe, like lion. Okay, walk. Walk means to move your legs from one place to another place. Eyes, eyes. So for sure that all of us have two eyes. This dog has blue eyes. Eyes is or are are the parts of your body that are used to see. We are using eyes to see. How do I use it? Close your eyes and count to 10. Can you see better with one eye or with two eyes? It's better to see with one eye or two eyes. Yes. Okay. Here in this example exercise, what do eyes help you to do? It helps me to see. So eyes helps you to taste? No. Helps you to see? Yes. Helps you to blink? Yes. To read? Yes. Eyes helps you to hear? No. Eyes helps you to jump? No. Okay, so eyes are parts of our body. It helps us to see, or it is used to see. Or is a word, it's used when you have a choice between things. When you have a choice between things, or when you have to choose between things. Ducks can either swim or fly. Swim or fly. So it's a choice between two things. Or is used to join other words when you have a choice between things. So do you like eating or playing or playing? So I'm asking you to choose between eating or playing now. Okay, how do I use it? Use either a crayon or a pencil. Which of you like better? A sunny day or a cloudy day? So he asking here to choose between a sunny day or a cloudy day. And why? Okay. So which do you like better? Winter or summer? Red or blue? Art class or gym class? So or it's used when you are going to choose between two things, either or. Also, it's an expression, either or. Now we have some exercises. Let's read together the questions here. He is asking to circle the correct word. Number one, Lan goes for in the park, for a walk or for a bird in the park. No. Okay, I will give you 1 minute. Yes, for a walk. Number two, it's a very old or long path A long path. 3. Lan sees a bird in a nest. A bird in its nest. Okay. Number 4. Will it fly away or long away when it sees her? Yes, fly away. Number 5. 2 ducks in the lake are bird or are both wet? 2 ducks. I told you yesterday both. It's used when you are talking about 2 things. 2 things, so both. Number 6. Their eyes are black or their walk are black. Yes, their eyes. Number 7. Lan likes to watch those or eyes ducks. Those ducks. Lan, number 8. Lan has to go now or she will be late. Or she will be late. Yes. This is the correct answers. Here, listen to the sentence, use a word from the word bank. Third, eyes, long, those, both, fly, or walk. Number 1, I will read the questions only. Number 1, aeroplane is a. Number 2, a mouse has a tail. Number 3, sharks and whales live in water. Number 4, the of an elephant are big. Number 5, wings are used to. Number 6, kittens are cute. Yes, I will give you 1 minute to answer. Yes, number 1, robin is a bird. A mouse has a long tail. Number 3, sharks and whales both live in water. Number 4, the eyes of an elephant are big. Number 5, wings are used to fly. Number 6, those kittens are cute. Okay. I have some exercises here. Please try to answer alone and then check your answer and send it to me. Okay, then use one of these words to do word study. Then give me your evaluation. Okay, thank you for your watching and listening, and see you on Sunday. Have a nice weekend. Thank you. Goodbye.